All right, this is the STRICH M4 UHF wireless microphone system for dynamic microphones, like this Sennheiser E935, for instance. So the company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. And this is how it arrives. Actually, everything was packaged in plastic inside of here, and I've taken it all out of there, but really nice, solid packaging, solid styrofoam. Inside the package, you are going to get the M4 transmitter, the M4 receiver. You get two XLR to 1/4-inch adapters. So that makes this compatible with dynamic microphones, speakers, mixers, PA systems, and more. Gives you plenty of options to plug it into. You get an easy to follow set of instructions. And I have the M1 system, and this is way easier to use. On the M1, you have to match up frequencies on a screen. This one you don't. Everything's color coded, which is awesome. And you get a double Type-C charging cable because these are rechargeable devices. Let me give you the details on this, and later in the video, you can see where I took this thing out for a walk in my backyard and down out to the road. I wanted to see how far I could get without it breaking up, and it held up great. But one of the things I really like is that they work on an 800 milliamp battery. They say that you can get over 5.5 hours of continuous operation. I haven't tested that yet. I usually use these at band practice. I use a Line 6 Relay G10 wireless for my bass while performing live, and it uses a 600 milliamp battery, and I have no problems getting through 3 sets a night with that. I'll charge it in between sets, but 800 milliamps is pretty big, and I'm impressed with that. So easy to use. Just plug it into the mic. You're going to plug this into your PA, amplifier, mixing board, whatever. And once you plug it in, you're going to turn on the transmitter. Put it on this side so you can see it. You're going to turn on the receiver, and on the top here, you can see that they're both lit up green. It has 7 different channels that operate within a frequency band of 470 to 960 megahertz. It has a frequency response of 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, and it has a dynamic range of up to 106 decibels. What I love about this is each channel is color-coded, which makes it way easier to use than trying to match up the frequencies on a small screen. At least it's easier for my eyes, and I really like that. So with the 7 frequencies, you can actually use 7 of these on stage at the same time. If you happen to own multiple sets of the M4, you can use one transmitter and multiple receivers together. For instance, you can plug a transmitter into this mic, into your mic, and plug a receiver into several different spots like a PA, a board, an amp, 2 amps, whatever, and it'll send the sound to each of them at the same time. All right, let's give it the test here on this old 15-watt drive amp. So what I'm going to do here, very simple, just line it up, plug it in. Since I've only got a 1/4-inch jack on this one, I'm going to use this 1/4-inch adapter, line it up, plug it in, plug that into the amp, turn the power on the transmitter, green light, power on the receiver, green light here. Check 1 2, check 1 2. All right, so what I'm going to do now is remove my lapel mic, set it over by the amp here so you can hear it, and then I'm going to, that shed out there is about 30 foot away. And that fence door opening is about 40 foot away. So let's test it out. Let's go. How's my hair look? Does it look all right? Where's my dog? Rigatoni, come here. Come here, buddy. Is it still working? I'm at about 30 foot right now. 30 foot. 40 foot. Opening the fence. You got 45 foot. Probably 50 feet at least. 60. 70, 80, 90, about 100 foot, almost out to the road. I'm going back. I turned it off and I turned it back on again at about 50 feet and it connected, I guess, if it's working. Rigatoni, who's a good boy? You're a good boy. All right, here we go. Pretty good distance on it, huh? They say that it has a transmission range of 20 to 40 meters or 65 to 131 feet. I took this out to about 100 foot. I walked through my yard at an angle, turned left, went all the way out to the road, and I had no problems at all. It was about 100 feet away. And I wasn't even in a direct line. There was, I was cut off by the corner of the house. There were trees in between me and the receiver, and it worked great. You want to shut it off, just press and hold the button. So there you go, a really cool UHF wireless mic system to convert your standard dynamic mic into a wireless mic. Great for on stage, band practice, whatever you want. Very nice.